As Europe contends with a ferocious heatwave, diplomats from dozens of countries are gathering in Berlin to discuss efforts to tackle climate change. The 12th Petersburg Climate Change Conference started on Monday, with Germany's Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock emphasising the need to stay focused on climate issues.
We have 8 years left to almost halve global emission. That's the commitment we made in Glasgow. But we also have to focus much more on the climate impacts that we have failed to avert. We owe this to the people around the world, in the Pacific Islands, in Sahel, and in other regions, who are already suffering and who already feel the impacts of the current climate crisis.
With record temperatures across Europe in recent weeks, experts are warning that this extreme heat could become the new normal if global warming continues.
The underlying state of the vegetation, or the flammability, if you like, how ready the vegetation is to burn, is increased because of these hotter and drier temperatures as a result of climate change. So then in summers and periods like we're in now, it just takes an ignition to really ignite very extreme wildfires, which are then very difficult to manage.
Environmentalists feared that the search for new energy sources as a result of Russia's invasion of Ukraine may undermine progress towards achieving climate targets. Organisers are hoping that the two-day conference will help countries to devise a more united approach to climate change.